Create real personal development challenges from simple ideas. You have a saboteur, an internal enemy that doesn't always align with your goals. For example, you might want to reduce your digital device usage. Start a digital detox challenge. This is one type of personal challenge you can create for yourself. This software promotes creating personal challenges from small ideas and plans. It provides clear instructions and reports for any situation. Make a personal challenge, like beautifying your garden. The Personal Challenge Generator can help you create a detailed 25-day plan, spread over 3 months, with progress rewards. Defeat your saboteur and prove your capabilities. Share your success to help others and potentially build a profitable online business. Expand the use of this program to build a personal challenge empire. Get creative and make it happen. Join the challenge revolution. Defeat your saboteur and build your personal challenge empire. If you're serious about building a business that pays, join Monetize My Personal Challenges. The world is moving forward. While you delay, others are using the Personal Challenge Generator to overcome saboteurs or help others. Get your 25-day garden schedule now. This is just one example of a personal challenge. You have the tools, the market, and a limited time opportunity to own the entire system.